welcome back to my channel. So today, you've probably already seen my channel. So today is going to be unboxing, and you guys can probably tell by the title, it says unboxing video, yeah. Which probably doesn't say again, because I don't know what to title it yet, but yeah, it's probably going to be labeled as unboxing. And why has he got that scrape on his eye? Oh, something else. Anyway, today I will be opening this. Has an owl, crab, cute bulldog, which is the main reason why I got it, and the owl and crab. I already have one that looks just like that, just a different color. I don't think I'll find it right now. So let me look for it, and I'll be back in a minute. Found him. See, look. Exactly the same, just different colors. So I think I'm going to actually switch on to him since, you know, kind of the same. So yeah, let's just get unboxing. I'm going to unbox it and then meet you guys up because I only have one hand to unbox because I'm holding the camera too. Obviously, I do not have camera because I don't really want one. Well, I do, but I just still have one yet, I guess. I guess maybe I can get it for birthday this year or Christmas, I don't know. But I really do hope to get one sometime. So here's the big box. He's so cute. Like, he's totally the main reason why I got this whole thing. So I'm not really sure how you unbox this. I watched one video, but that was like, like 2 months ago. So yeah, let me just unbox it, and I'll see you guys back. So here's the first one I opened up. She is absolutely, sorry about that noise. She's absolutely so adorable. She's got chunky little toes. She's like super cute. And this is actually my first owl. So yeah, that's cute. Anyway, let's try to get this one out. I'm not sure how you really, right there. Come on. It just doesn't want to open. Ah, there we go. Oh, she's so gorgeous. And if you didn't know, these hats actually do come off. I'm not really sure how you take them off, but maybe I can try. I mean, because I really do not really want their hats on right now because I don't really think their hats are like 100% cute. Oh gosh. My favorite one just had a rollover. Oh, alright. Oh gosh, he's like coming out of his hat already. He is so cute, my goodness. He is like precious. I want to get this hat off. Okay, well, let me get the hat off and I'll see you guys in a minute. Alright, I got them all out their hats since, he is, like, so cute. I rate him 100 out of 100. He is so precious. And they're, like, the perfect size, too. If you think of it, their heads do look a tiny bit tiny, in my opinion. Like, this one's head's really tiny. I think this Sophie's is actually sort of tiny. I don't know why I think it is. It may be her head size, like, pretty much of a tiny head. Yeah. So here's the next one. He's just wearing a blueberry hat. And the owl's wearing a cherry one, and the Rottweiler was just wearing this. And these are actually very squishy too. This banana hat, super cute. Sorry if you didn't like the way I said banana. Banana, I meant. So here's, I don't get why there's a straw poke now, but yeah, there's the soda. Anyway, we have one more, which is the cute crab. It has watermelon on its head. I'm not 100% sure if I can get this off while holding the camera. Oh, there we go. Okay, so this is also my first crab. Oh, she's so cute. I think all these ones are super cute. So I'm going to get their hats off and I'll see you guys in a minute. Also guys, I wanted to make a quick announcement. This mouse, I actually known this for a very long time. This one is actually off of the newer version of the LPS cartoons. Because I used to watch them, but I watched all of them, so yeah. Anyway, if I had to rate one as my favorite, obviously it's this one. I'm sorry, LPS, but whatever. But this one is just so precious. Even though I love all these ones in the set, like all of them, this one is just gotta be my favorite. He's so cute. I love his pose. And his tiny little tail. It's so tiny. I definitely will use this in lots of LPS videos. Lots. Oh gosh, I hope not that much. And I mean lots. Anyway, as I said, these ones are the exact same mold. Sorry if, yeah, I got bad, bad English. I just like to do a quick little weird accent. So this one actually has way more details than this one, because this one's just all orange with a bit of like peachy color type of stuff. Peachy color on his ears. And this one's got like pink with white on his face, his chest, and on his paws are actually like a tiny bit of a different color. I don't know if you guys can see, but they're like a light pink and the rest is like white. They look the same in the back, just different colors. This one's a bit dirty, but it doesn't really matter. He's kind of old by now. Anyway, they are super cute. They kind of look like brothers. That'll be perfect. Other than that, I would really like to rate this video 100 out of 100. I hope you guys really did like this video. I mean, I had really fun unboxing these. And I made this video for no bragging at all. And I mean at all. I just wanted this video to be like, I guess like, just for, in case someone likes unboxing videos, like you. If you don't really like unboxing videos, then please don't watch this. I hope you didn't watch this, I guess, because this is already during the end of the video. So anyway, gosh, I'm really torturing my LPS today. For my first crab, for my first dog type of mold like this, and my first owl, and my first, it's a lot, isn't it? My first type of, like, fox? Well, I do have another one, but it's not this bright of a color. Like, I've never seen a fox this bright of a color. Well, you know what I mean, right? Right? Hope you guys do. I'm talking about the yellow and the purple. Like, I've never, and her bright yellow eyes just explode. Like, be happy. Don't worry. Anyway, I just love this one. I don't even know how to explain it. She's just cute. This one, probably the whole set I will be using in a video. And I'm going to make a shout out for a couple of people that I watch on YouTube. So if you're watching my video, which you probably will not, because these people are pretty much popular, sort of. I think it's Music Girl Pro. She's got a good YouTube channel. LPS Hannah, Alice LPS, Possum TV, LPS Honey, and Emily LPS. I think it's Emily LPS. I'm going to have to check. But if it is, then go check her out. I mean, she makes funny, cute, and awesome videos. Like, one of her videos, it was like an airplane trip, and that one was hilarious. Also, I just now noticed this. His nose is purple, not black. I don't even know if this is black. It looks kind of purple, but to be honest, that looks more purple if you don't think. And I just love the way they did his eyebrows. He's just like, what did you say? And then this one's brown eyes really are cute. Like, this crab is like super cute. Even though I've never even touched a crab in my life. Well, you know what I mean. Crab LPS. Anyway, this is a cute owl. I don't have any owls. Oh, gosh. Just torture her. So she's got a bit of scratches. Oh, wait. That's not even scratches. I don't even know what that was. Yeah. These are in perfect condition, obviously, because they're in the store. But most of the time, they're not in good condition. So I'm very surprised. Sorry about this weird stain right there. I'm not even sure what that is. And look at all their hats just piled up here. I mean, back here. Their hats are actually soft, metallic, if you think of it. Like, it's really soft. And I really like them. They're not, like, super cute, but they're cute. I don't know why they chose to do these two together, but okay. And if you watch Possum TV, she does lots of videos with these. Like, lots of videos. She's been starting to do a lot of videos with these ones, and yeah. Anyway, I'm not going to control him anymore. Oh, sorry about that. But yeah, I'm going to control him now. So I hope you guys like, I don't even know what I'm saying. Hope you guys like this unboxing video. And if you guys watch till the end, comment down below. I'm sorry guys, I'm thinking about what to, you guys should comment down below. Comment down below. I love LPS. I'm sorry for that. I changed my notifications. Yay. Also, that one was very awkward. Like, I should have had it on the crab, like, do-do-do-do-do-do. Or whatever it sounds like. Anyway, the text message is from TikTok. So, let me go check that out. I might have a new follower. I don't know. Somebody might have liked my comment. I don't know, but I'll just check it out. Also, if you want to check out my TikTok videos, not channel, my goodness. Mine's, you would just search up Leah Lopez, your girl. There's no underscores, it's just Leah Lopez, your girl. If it doesn't pop up with that, I'm sorry. I mean, that's my real name. And if you want to know my name on Roblox, it's Awesome Unicorn Girl 257. Okay? And that's pretty much all I have to say, I guess. Also, this girl, I commented on someone's videos. I think it was Ugluck Toys. Make sure to check that channel out, too. I think it's Ugluck Toys. I'm not really sure, but I think, yeah, it's Ugluck Toys, I'm pretty sure. I'm like 50% sure it's Ugluck Toys, but it's a really good channel. She always unboxes toys, and it's super fun to watch the videos. And yeah, she's always just making more and more videos. Anyways, if you guys think he's adorbs, comment below. And if you guys watched to the end, just comment down below. You know, I love LPS, like I said. If you did not make it to the end, well, sorry, but, I mean, I guess it's okay. But, yeah. Anyway, this video was 100% nothing to even go towards offense or bragging. And I really like these. And her hair is like pokey, sort of. And I love her tail. I just love these new molds. I don't think this one's new mold. Neither do I think this one is, but it might be. Pretty sure these ones are new molds, and these ones are like old molds. Those are new. Hallelujah. These are old. Too creepy. Anyway, I hope you guys like this video. Because I had a blast unboxing these. And I will be getting the other set probably around my birthday, which is November 13th. Coming up kind of fast. Anyways. I also only have 39 more days of school, and then I'll be out, which is kind of exciting, I guess, and kind of not exciting. I'm going to miss my friend. Her name is Andrea. And I'm going to miss Julia, which is my other friend. Sorry about that music. That was my brother playing some music. Anyway, I hope you guys like this video. And I'm just going to end it right here. Bye-bye, guys. Make sure to stay strong and bark on to my next video. Bye.